How to delete Gmail account. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. Now it's actually super easy to do, so if this video was helpful, then let me know in the comments and let's get started. So first of all, you want to open up a new tab, and then right here you can actually click on Gmail. So click on there. Then make sure that you are actually signed into the correct Gmail account that you would like to delete. So on the top right corner, and then here you can select the correct one. Then what you want to do is click on manage your Google account, and then you will have to go to the data and privacy section on the left, and then scroll a bit down till you see the data from apps and services that you use section. So here you want to click on the content saved from Google services. Then once this loads, you can actually see all of the recently used Google services right over here, as you can tell. Then here you have an option called delete a service, and that is where you want to click on. Then this tab will open up and it says delete your Google account. Then click on there, delete your account. And here you can also download all your data first if you would like to. And then it says, please read this carefully. It's not the usually blah, blah. So this gives you a whole explanation of what happens. Then this will give you an explanation of what will be deleted. So Gmail with 180 conversations, YouTube with 3 uploaded videos, a calendar, 4 of my contacts, and 1 installed app in the Google Play Store. Now, it also says link Google services. The following Google services allow you to change the Google account used to access them. If you prefer to make that change, click the name of service below to find out. It also says if you have any pending financial transactions, you will still be responsible for those charges. And then you have to acknowledge that. And then, yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account. Then hit delete account. You will probably have to enter your password once again to confirm it. And that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.